Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. I am super excited because we are day before the US presidential elections. It's gonna be an awesome week, definitely. So prepare yourself, be focused because it's gonna be very, very interesting. As usual, we start with quick recap about the economic calendar. Monday, we have three major events today. Manufacturing PMI for Germany, 8:55 in the morning. Manufacturing PMI 9:30 in the morning, GMT of course, and manufacturing PMI 3 p.m. GMT for US. But the week is Tuesday. Interest rate decision. We start 3:30 a.m. Very volatile event for the Australian dollar. Previous one was 0.25 interest rate in Australia. Right now, according to forecast, we have to see cut of the interest rate to 0.10. So the Australian dollar Tuesday is going to be very volatile for sure. 1 p.m. We have here in the calendar presidential elections. Probably it's not gonna be like fixed hour. It's gonna be interesting during the whole day, maybe even after that. So let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna follow closely the results and the monetary policy statement in Japan, 11:50 p.m. Wednesday, we have ADP NFP non-farm employment change 115. For United States, 9:30 in the morning. Before that, composite and services PMI for United Kingdom, ISM non-manufacturing PMI 3 p.m. for US, and crude oil inventories. Crude oil right now is very, very interesting according to our forecast. Dropping down, we're going to take a look in about a minute. Thursday, we have services PMI, construction PMI for UK. Simply Thursday is the week for the United Kingdom's Great British Pound. Interest rate decision 0.1 according to forecast. Bank of London Bank of England, is expected to keep the same interest rate as before. And initial jobless claims, very important event, 1:30. USD is going to go crazy for sure. Interest rate decision Thursday, 7 p.m. One of the most volatile events in general. And Friday, our lovely non-farm payroll event, 1:30. Unemployment rate 1:30. Something that's very, very surprising, how the gross domestic product in US last week went very green, from minus 33% to 30% plus, which is insanely, honestly speaking, I personally believe manipulated. But it doesn't make any sense to see such a high volatility in the gross domestic product right before the presidential elections. But the fact that this is the facts. So we have positive GDP employment change today, on Friday, 1:30. As you can see, I'm excited definitely about Canada, and this is how we are going to finish the week. So to summarize everything quickly, presidential elections on Tuesday, definitely very important. Interest rate for Australia. Wednesday, we have non-farm payroll, crude oil inventories. Thursday, we have interest rate decision in United Kingdom, interest rate decision in US, initial jobless claims, and Friday NFP. Such a week. I don't remember when we had such a volatile week combined with the COVID situation. It's going to be crazy. Let's take a look what's going on with the euro on the charts. Euro US dollar going down, broken the support 1.1696, 1.17. and heading to break out most probably the next support 1.1612. I'm going to move this one into a new support level, which is close to our current price. It's pretty likely to see the euro going down. The American indices made significant drop on Friday and last Thursday, of course. So this is what's driven the majors going down. Something that we've been waiting for quite some time, the last couple of weeks. Euro is going within a range which is normal according the presidential elections. Everybody's waiting for the results right now to see what's going to happen. And for now, euro, I'm absolutely bearish. GBP completely the same. Great British Pound completely bearish. 1.29 current price, 1.2782, and is our next support level to aim for. So GBP, I'm staying completely bearish. Australian US dollar, exactly the same. As you can see, is trying to break out the support. 0.70 current price, 0.6931 is our next support level. So we have just to wait to see what the Australian dollar is going to do. Quick reminder, we have tomorrow interest rate decision, so this is going to be crucial for the Australian dollar. The New Zealand, quite similar, 0.66. Let's see what is going to happen. So for now, I've been waiting because, as you can see, the New Zealand dollar is heading to the downside, but it can reach this support and it can bounce back to the upside. Compared to the Australian dollar, New Zealand is getting more stronger, so that's why I will avoid the New Zealand for now. USD Canadian 1.3339. So it's pushing up. You know, the correlation when the American indices are going down, the demand for United States dollar is going up. So this is why we see the US going up. Simply, it's not because of the weakness of the Canadian, it's because of the strength of the US, because of the weakness of the United States indices. So let's take a look quickly the crude oil inventory, crude oil, because we do expect inventories on Wednesday. Such a crazy gap. Of course, almost $1 gap we opened today, and we can see slight recovery to the upside. Completely bearish on the crude oil. Very low demand because of the second wave of COVID. They started locking down the countries again, and I'm not gonna be surprised whatsoever to see $30 per barrel, even lower than this. So if we see crude going down, USD CAD, we're gonna see reaching 1.3483 combined with the strength of the US indices, which they are gonna push the United States dollar going up. It's pretty possible to see 1.3480 85 level here, the next resistance. Crude oil again, totally bearish. Just wait for good short opportunity. USD Swiss, one of my favorite currency pairs. We talked about it. We were right in the middle of these boundaries, 0.92, 0.9051. Very clear range. Here we saw the price get out of the boundaries and went back immediately. So right now the price is heading to the resistance 0.92, very big round number, and definitely we can expect bounce back to the downside once it tests this level. Until then, I'm gonna be very careful with the USD Swiss. If you decide to take a short trade here, it's not going to be a bad decision, but you have to be a little bit more cautious and prepared to see the price reaching these two boundaries, 0.9240, 0.92. And what about the USD Japanese? We talked about it as well. USD Japan, very strong support level, 104.17, bouncing back from this level, 105, pretty possible to see. Tested to even 106. I'm not gonna be surprised as USD Japan is kind of flat. Yeah, it's going in a downtrend, but this support level is very strong. So that's why if you're gonna take short trades like the USD Swiss, definitely be very conservative and very careful. So thank you very much for watching, guys. This is it for today. Expect my new video, of course, on Wednesday, day after the elections. It's going to be crazy week. It's gonna be very interesting week. Focus, of course, trade smart. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, of course. Share us and like us on the social media. Thumbs up for this video. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Have a very profitable week and good luck. Bye bye.